demonstrate.
I can demonstrate
The understanding.
the understanding
For content vocabulary.
for content vocabulary.
What are some words in there that you don't understand quite yet? McKenna, what do you think?
Demonstrate.
Demonstrate. We've heard that word demonstrate in targets before. Can somebody help McKenna with demonstrate? Allie?
Demonstrate means like when someone like you doesn't know what something is, and someone is going to tell and show them what it is.
She said tell and show. So that big word demonstrate means tell and show. Target.
Target.
I can demonstrate.
I can demonstrate
The understanding.
the understanding
For content.
for content
Vocabulary.
vocabulary.
Turn and talk to your partner about what you think content vocabulary is. Okay, what is the content? Think. What is the content that we're learning about right now in literacy that also ties to science? Think. What is the content? What do we have right now? What are we learning right now? Turn and talk.
I think the learning right now is that about the water cycle and water pollution and demands for water and all of that water.
Give Alfie a thumbs up if you agree. Give Alfie a thumbs down if you disagree. He said we're learning about the water cycle, water pollution, and demand on water. I agree. 3 claps for Alfie. Okay, so what we're going to do today to demonstrate our understanding for content vocabulary is a 2-part activity. In part 1, you are going to be working with a team. You and your team are going to have this bag of words, definitions, and images that have all to do with the content we're learning about, pollution and the water cycle. The first thing I want you to do is sort them into words, images, and definition. What's the next thing I want you to do? Everyone look at the board and read direction number 2.
Match and discuss. I think blank because blank. I agree because blank. I disagree because blank.
And if we get stuck, look up there to see what resources we could use to help us if we get stuck in our matching. We can look at our water dictionary. We can use our word wall, and we can use our one well text. Turn to your neighbor and tell them what you're going to be doing with your team.
Let me find the definition. It can be harmful or something like that.
No, we
Possibility of danger, right?
to move continuous.
You know the last one that says harmful chemicals into
No, that's a different. Well, why do you think that?
this evaporation. I think pollution is right here, but these are both pollution.
Not really. I think that's groundwater.
I think that's definitely groundwater. This is pollution. Oh, very well. Yeah, we're stuck on that. There's no definition, I think, of that.
Yeah, I don't think there's a definition.
Putting harmful substances into the environment.
We got 3. Oh, thank you. I found acid. Wait, this is the definition.
on the board to your partner.
How are the water cycles
Stop and think. Stop and think. How are the water cycle and pollution related? Talk. Talk about the water cycle. It all starts on
groundwater,
surface water, and the air heats it up and it
evaporates,
and all those water droplets pile together for
condensation,
and they get so heavy we have
precipitation,
which goes back down to the
groundwater and surface water.
and now your job with your team is to figure out how pollution and the water cycle link together. So I want you to go pollution, water cycle. How do they link together?
How do they link together?
We've got one more. I think that should go with like how precipitation go together. It's because like condensation and vapor kind of same thing. Precipitation, condensation, atmosphere, and vapor. And when danger, right? No depth. How would this picture too?
The target. Read it in your head. And now stop and think. Do you think your team met the targets? Yes or no? Why or why not? Just think. Turn and talk. Did you meet the target? Why or why not? Go.
We worked really hard, even though we got all negative.
And 3, 2, 1. You absolutely did try your best.